Is this thing on? Okay, it's on. Hello guys, it's your girl Kayla, and today we're going to be playing Adopt Me. Adopt Me has just released a new update, which is the monkey update. Sorry guys, I haven't recorded for a long time. One, there's no updates. Two, I have literally no space on this device. But as we can see, monkey tent, but it says that it's leaving in 4 weeks time. So probably Adopt Me said that this is going to be probably one of the updates that's going to be coming in the future. Yeah. And what I want to say today is that I'm making a Mega Neon monkey. Like always, is a Mega Neon girl. I'm not done with the Mega Neon emu, so that's why there haven't been anything yet. And got monkey fully grown. Everything's fully grown. And as you can see, this setup is weird. I don't know what happened to my tablet, but you know. And right now I can make a ninja monkey, which is like old, that's legendary. Monkey is legendary. Well, Monkey King is legendary. And the business and the toy monkey is, you know, ultra rare. So I'm gonna be opening a lot of monkey boxes. Well, the money ones, because I can't afford any of this one. Well, I can afford two, but I'm only gonna open one for you guys to see. And yeah, let's start. Okay, it's already opening by itself. I don't mind it. Cotton candy, nice. Okay, this got a new monkey. I'm going to open another one now. Oh man, I'm guessing I'm gonna be so broke now because all these monkeys for nothing really. But there's so much cotton candy. Please give me something else than this, because I'm broke. Oh man, I'm getting literally the same stuff. Yep, I'm broke. Oh, I got a symbol. Okay, not bad. But I want a briefcase. And I'm officially broke. Oi, okay, let's open one of these. So pretty. Well, I should have seen where it stores right now. Bruh. Oh man, I opened, how many monkeys did I get? So I was able to get 5 monkeys, one from the premium box. How much Robux do I have right now? How about... so I can buy one more. I don't want to be broke. So yeah. Give me something good. Please. Oh guys, scroll! Okay. Yep. Okay. Not bad, not really bad. But I didn't get no albino monkey or star at the first try of the premium. And I can't even get another one because I just... yeah, I have no monkey left and I got so many monkeys. I'm going to be trading some. But I got some ingredients which I'm happy with. I got a symbol ingredient and I got another scroll. And I'm making the neons. Please add something. I'm not trading it free. So this one's a rope. But I wish I didn't make it 195 Robux. Should have made it at least 50 Robux because you don't know how long this update has been coming. So yeah. So I'm happy I got some ingredients actually. Because I want to make a... okay, I want to make a neon. I mean, I don't want to make it like a neon. I don't know. I don't want to make a toy monkey. So I'm going to be saving up the symbol. Yeah, for a scroll. Because I want to make a neon ninja monkey. It should be coming out soon. Because neon ninja monkey is legendary. Yeah, I didn't make one, but but my sister did, and it was blue. Look, bro, why y'all so focused on YouTube? But she likes keeping her face YouTube. But as you know, that this is the end of the video, and I'm finally broke, and yeah, but this is one thing I want to say. I already have a toy monkey. I don't know. This is really cute. I mean it. Me. Well, traded it to me for a toy monkey. I know. Oh, I have an ABC. I have a score. I have a symbol. But as you guys know, I wanna save my money because these monkeys are really hard to drop, literally. So I want to trade it for fully grown monkeys. So yeah, guys, it's the end of the video, and I'll see you guys later.